Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mujmmil's Pharmacy Infoline. Today we are going to start a 1000 MCQ series of Gpat. In this, we will cover all the previous question paper of Gpat along with some extra MCQ questions. Our main target is Gpat 2024. Daily we will cover 20 MCQ which will help you for better revision. So let's start with the session. The first question is from Gpat question paper 2019 from other subject. As per the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act and rule, the safe custody of forms is with. The correct answer is option C, owner of the approved place. For protein detection, most commonly used probe is. The correct answer option B, antibody. Consumers who are loyal to 2 to 3 brands are considered as. The correct answer is option A, split loyals. Choose the correct statement with respect to the Pharmacy Act 1948. The correct answer is option C. Section 12 of the Act deals with the approval of course of study and examination under Chapter 2. ELISA is based upon. The correct answer is option C. Antigen-antibody interaction. So, ELISA is based upon the antigen-antibody interaction. The relation between emissive power of the surface and its absorptivity is given by. The correct answer is option D, Kirchhoff's law. In India, the Patent Office has its head office at Kolkata and branch offices at. The correct answer is option D, Mumbai, Chennai and New Delhi. Penalty for cultivation of any cannabis plant term produces, sale, purchase and transport in a contravention of Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act and rule on first conviction is. The correct answer is option B, rigorous imprisonment up to 10 years or fine up to 1 lakh. In direct contact or jet condensers, barometric leg serves one of the following function. The correct answer is option A, to remove the condensate or cooling water mixture. Which of the following is considered as a differentiated product? The correct answer is option B, Zantac. Hardening meal is a variant of. The correct answer is option B, ball meal. So, hardening meal is a variant of ball meal. Shake well label must be placed on the containers of. The correct answer is option A, ophthalmic suspension. From this, we are starting the pharmaceutics department. Second question, in case of aerosol testing valve delivering acceptance for a volume of 24 microliter or less is. The correct answer is option D, plus minus 15%. Containers may be rendered free from pyrogens by adequate cleaning and by. The correct answer is option B. GMP regulations are pertaining to minimum requirements to be met by industry when. The correct answer is option A, manufacturing, packaging and holding of human, drug and veterinary drugs. Which of the following viscometer can be used for characterizing non-Newtonian system? The correct answer is option B, cup and bob viscometer. For drug substance with highly variable pharmacokinetic characteristics, the following bioequivalence study design is used. The correct answer is option D, replicate design. Roll tube technique is a modification of. The correct answer is option B, the stick plate technique. Which mechanism of metabolism of drug is not affected by the weight change of patient? The correct answer is option D, oxidative metabolism. 21 CFR Part 211 of USFDA described as. The correct answer is option C, current good manufacturing practice. Thank you for watching our video. Stay connected with our channel for such daily updates of GPAT MCQ series.